In today's fast-paced marine industry, autopilot systems have become essential. They not only enhance operational efficiency, but also significantly improve safety on the waters. With advanced technology, these systems allow for precise navigation and help in maintaining steady courses, even in challenging conditions. One of the primary benefits of using autopilot systems is the reduction of human error. By automating routine tasks, these systems ensure safer and more efficient navigation. This means fewer mistakes and a smoother journey for everyone on board. Autopilot systems also play a critical role in minimizing accidents. By automating the steering process and providing real-time monitoring, they allow for quick adjustments and responses to any potential hazards. This level of automation is key to maintaining safety and reliability on the seas. Optimizing speeds can significantly reduce fuel consumption, leading to substantial cost savings. This technology also contributes to a greener, more sustainable maritime industry. You can get expert autopilot installation, maintenance, and upgrades to ensure your system is always running at its best.